Good evening, guys. Very good evening, all of you. Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible to all of you? Yes. Very good evening. Very good evening. Okay, so today we are going to cover this quiz over here. In this quiz, again, we are going to take all the 4 sections. Okay, first we will take the simplification, then quadratic, number series, and we are also going to take 5 questions. Only 5 questions based on arithmetic over here. Okay, so what is my plan over here? I am just trying to recall all the concept before your exam. So you can watch previous sessions also. Each and every questions which I am covering over here, it is going to teach you something unique in this case. Okay, especially those who are watching it for consistently, they can tell you that every question I am trying to cover it from your RBI assistant point of view, in a way that before exam you should not even miss one question over here or one concept over here. Sabri, Vishwajit, yes, very good evening, guys. Very good evening. So guys, before we start, I just request all of you, please share the session. Yes, once please share the session. If you are getting good count, we can continue it. So all of you, please do that once. And I'm sure if you are sharing it, we can make it a count of 50. Yes, all of you, please do that once so that we can move ahead over here. Okay, so jaldi se all of you just do that. Simon, Ashu, Sabri, yes. Very good evening, guys. Very good evening. Okay, so my plan is to cover 20 questions. Okay, 20 questions in this 1 hour of time, which will give you good revision over here. We are not going to spend more time on any of the question because I know that your time is really valuable now because you have exam just immediately. After I can say 20-25 days, not even more time is there. So very less time we are left with. So we need to hurry up now. So this is the last time that you are, will be able to revise few of the concept as you have very less time left over here. Okay, so I want all of you to quickly share the session with your friends. Anybody, anybody is there in any group. If you know your friends who are preparing, just tell them to join over here. Okay, Vaishnavi, very good evening. Very good evening. Okay, so guys, before we start, I would like to tell you that the LPS, okay, whatever we are doing here, same kind of, batch we are going to launch. That is nothing but a LPS batch over here, live practice session. Now, many of you might not be aware about this concept. So, live practice session is we have a platform. On platform, we have an app over here. In that app, you can solve particular question in a timer. After that timer, teacher timer will start. So in the same time as you have done it, I am also going to solve the same question over here. Now what will happen through this? This is a simulation kind of a thing. So what will happen is you will get same kind of feel as that of your exam. And what is more special about this is it is not only about quant, it will have English reasoning at the same time. So at 7 p.m. you will join us. Till 9 p.m. you will be with us. You have to just solve the question, submit your answer. That's it, just like your exam. And what will happen is your score will be calculated just after each of the question, and then you will be able to see how, like, what is your position compared to the other all over India students over here. So that way this will really help you out to figure out your weaker areas and to save your time, which is a need of your RBI assistant exam, because you are aware that the cutoff is going to be really high, guys. I hope all of you are getting my point. Okay, so please check out, guys. I think that the price is 1,999 is definitely more. But if you are using my name as the code, you need not even pay half of this. 839 is what you are going to pay. And just imagine remaining all days you are practicing every day. Because what is important for quant section and other section is keep in practice for every day over here. Then only your rapport will be there in your final exam. So I want all of you to check out the course, guys. And as I told you, now we have offer going on. Rather than purchasing individual courses, guys, okay, my honest suggestion to all of you is rather than purchasing these individual courses over here, you can directly search for a super elite subscription over here. Now what is super elite subscription? Basically it will have all prelim mock, it will have mains mock, it will have live classes of all the things that are coming to going to come in next 6 months over here. Okay, now what will happen is next 6 months you may have pre-exam, clerical PO pre, everything you need not purchase. You can watch it for free. The only thing is you have to purchase this package now. Are you getting my point? Now the point why I am telling you now is we have even more offer going on. If you are purchasing it for 6 months, if you are purchasing it for 6 months, it will be valid for next 10 months over here. So you can see almost double things you are getting in the same package. Are you getting it? Because we are celebrating the 10 million users that we got. So that is why this offer is going on. So that is the reason I'm telling you this is the best time you can purchase this. I hope all of you are getting it. Pranam ma'am, what is the time of paid class? Okay, Vishal Thakur, the paid classes, if you are checking for this batch, that is the LPS batch, it is going to be there from 7 to 9 p.m. every day till your exam. Till your exam, along with that, you are also going to get mock test as well. Okay, so guys, really good packages, and right now there is offer. That is why I'm insisting you, please check out. If you are planning to purchase, this is the best time that you can do it, because you know next 10 months you are going to face all the exam. SBI PO would be there, IBPS PO would be there, clerical would be there. You need not purchase anything separately. So just check out, guys. Okay, perfect. So let us start with today's session over here. Still guys, we are not even 20. I want all of you to please share the session once. Yes? Can you quickly do that? Quickly share the session with your friends so that we can start over here. Okay, so first question is there on your screen over here. Based on the approximation, let me see who is getting the answer for this one. Your time starts now. Yes, so 30-second timer is there. So more important point for this particular exam is timer also. You have to keep track of time while giving the answer. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Yes, can you give it a try? Okay, Sabri has shared it. Thank you so much, Sabri. Yes, yes. So you will also enjoy it, guys. That is also one of the reasons that, you know, if good people are there, you will also enjoy solving this quiz over here. Sanjay, KS, Akshay, 17, Ashu, Vishwajit. Very good, very good. Okay, you have joined after few days. Okay. So I hope Abhishek, you are good now. Perfect. Sahil is saying C option. Very good, guys. Really good performance. I can see that in 30 seconds or itself, all of you got the answer over here. Very good performance. Everybody is getting this one. 17 is the perfect answer over here. How will you go about this? So percentage you can shift here. This can be written as 115 multiplied by 240%, which is nothing but 2.4 over here. Okay, 240% means 2.4. Now this is interesting part, which is nothing but a single cancellation method. Please follow this well. What is the method? This is 741 divided by 57 over here. If you are checking out the value, this is going to be 3. And then what you have to do is just check the unit digit. Okay, just check the unit digit. 7 3s are 21. So this is going to be 3 over here. And how will you calculate the tens digit over here? Divide 74 by 57. Divide 74 by 57 over here. That is going to be 1. So basically you are going to get 13 as the value. Are you guys getting my point? Yes, here you are going to get 13 over here. Now how will you solve this part over here? Can any one of you tell me how will you solve this? Now first of all, you have to always calculate this integer value, that is nothing but 230 would be the value over here, and then you have to calculate the 0.4 value in this case. So what would be the value over here? You can calculate, this will become 46. If you are calculating the value, it is 276 over here plus 13. Are you getting it? So you are going to get 289, which is nothing but your 17 square. Perfect answer by many of you. Are you guys getting my point? So this part is particularly very important. Single cancellation method. Definitely you are going to have it in your exam. Are you guys getting my point over here? Yes, perfect. Very good. Let us quickly move on to the next question now. Question based on square root. As I told you, the specialities, we are going to cover all types of questions over here that will make you, enable for your exam, that you will not miss even single concept, even if you are attending these sessions over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Your time is running, guys. I want all of you to quickly perform here. Okay, so that is also one thing that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Now, first of all, do not apply the unit digit method because it is approximation question over here. Okay, so please keep track of that as well. Bhanu Vishwajit is already getting the answer here. 135. Very good. 135 is the perfect answer here. Meena, Sabri, what a performance, guys. Very good. I am really happy that all of you are getting it in time. Agastya, K, Sanjay, 135, Abhishek. Very good. Perfect answer by all of you. Can you tell me which all are the square roots over here? Yes, which all are the square value? Any one of you can tell me? Yes, especially those who are beginner. You need to remember the square root from 1 to 40 over here. Okay, you have to remember the square root from 1 to 30. If you know, this is nothing but 33 square. Yes, 1089. That is 33 square over here. What about this one? Here this is nothing but under root of 144, which is 12 over here. Yes, you are perfectly correct. Abhishek is perfectly getting all these squares. Very good performance by Abhishek here. Really good performance. I'm really happy looking at your performance. 841. 841, this is nothing but 29 value over here, and this is already visible 81. This is near to 81, which is 9 over here. Now easily you can calculate the value. What would be the value over here? You can see it is 396 minus, if you are subtracting the value, that is nothing but 261, which is nothing but 135 would be the answer. Really good performance by many of you. Very good, guys. Simple question, but definitely you are going to have it in your exam. Everybody is following it based on approximation. This type of questions have been frequently asked in your exam over here. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Next question again based on the approximation. Really wonderful question. Let me see who all are getting this one right, and follow the timer as well, guys. Okay, that is also one important thing we have to keep in mind. Okay, let me see who all are getting the answer now. Can you give it a try? First of all, you can write it in proper division format. Okay, all of you can just put it in proper division format so that you will not miss out the answer over here. Okay, Bhanu 160. Okay, Agastya, Bhanu, Vishwajit, what a performance, guys. 160. I got the first answer here as 160. What about others? Sean is also saying 160. Abhishek, Sean, very good, guys. 160 is the perfect answer over here. Sanjay is also getting it. Very good, Sanjay. Very good. How will you do this? How will you go about this question over here? So first of all, you have to write it in the proper fractional format over here. This is 52 divided by 584. This is nothing but 52 by 584. How will you write this? This is 73 divided by 207. 208. 207.91 multiplied by x. This is equal to 5 over here. Now all of you are aware about this. Whenever you are calculating the value, yes, it is 8 into 4 into 5. Perfect answer by Sabri here. Okay, so again here single cancellation method is applicable, and trust me guys, whenever you are getting question like this, what you can do is check for the cross division over here. Many times it will work. Are you getting it? Many times it will work. Here you can observe, if you are multiplying this by 4, what are you getting? If you are multiplying this by 4, you are directly getting 208 over here. Everybody is getting it? Can you observe here, if you are multiplying this by 8, directly you are getting 584 over here. So what would be my answer? X value is nothing but 32 into 5, which is nothing but 160 would be the answer over here. Perfect answer by many of you. C is the correct answer. Sabri, Nandagopal, Dhruv, Akshay, Sean, Abhishek. Perfect answer, guys. Very good performance. Everybody is getting my point. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Let us not waste the time over here. So next question is there on your screen. Let me see who is getting it in proper time over here. Yes, can you give it a try? Next question, I want all of you to read the question carefully. Okay, question also you have to read carefully over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Yes. Let me see who all are getting the answer here. Bhanu is saying 200. Okay, I got the first answer here, 200. What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer? Ashu is also saying 200. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. 200 is the perfect answer over here. Really good performance. Very good. How will you go about this? Is there any other short trick to be followed? Yes, any one of you? Is there any other short trick to be followed? Have you read the question? Sean, Agastya, Vishwajit, really good performance, guys. What you have to check is, question is about the simplification over here. Question is about the simplification. So you need not even calculate the full value over here. Directly you could have followed the unit digit method also. Now when the unit digit method will be applicable? When the question is about simplification and all options are ending with a different digit over here. Can you observe that? Yes, all the options are ending with a different digit over here. So what will you go about this? This is 17 square. This end digit is going to be 9. 9 into 4. This end digit will be 6 over here. How will you calculate this? It is 8 2s are 16. End digit is going to be 6. This is 1/5 of the value. 1/5 of this, that is nothing but 12. So end digit is going to be 2 over here. And this last value is going to be 8 in this case. Are you all getting my point? This is x into 8 over here. Everybody is following my point. Now if you are checking this, you are getting 0 as the value. So when I am dividing, this is also going to end up in a 0. Are you getting it? No need to solve, Sabri. That is what I was about to explain. Here you need not even solve the complete question over here. Really wonderful question. Are you getting it? And in your RBI assistant exam, many of the questions can be solved using this short trick over here. Everybody is following my point? Everybody is following this over here. This is how you have to go about it. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Next question based on single cancellation method. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. So guys, मजा नहीं आ रहा है, आप लोग शेयर नहीं कर रहे हो. एक बार प्लीज शेयर कर दीजिएगा, so that if you are getting good count, you will also enjoy it, guys. Yes, those who are present, all of you, please share it once. Perfect. Okay, let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Yes guys, so आप लोग सब सीख रहे हो, तो अगर आप शेयर करोगे तो we will be able to continue also, guys. Okay, so my request to all of you, please do that for me once, so that definitely we can make it 50 or 100. I'm sure about that. Ashu, Vaishnavi, Sanjay, Sean, 7. Very good. What a performance. Sanjay is 100% sure it is 7. What a confidence. Very good. Perfect answer, guys. 7 is the perfect answer over here. Now, what I'm more worried is how to divide. Have you understood how to divide the value over here? That is more important part over here. Okay, for example, here if you are checking 3 8 you can check out the value over here. This is 3 6 18. That means unit digit is going to be 6 over here. Are you getting it? Unit digit is going to be 6 over here. Yes, Agastya, you are perfectly right. That was the only part that has to be done over here. Now, how will you go about this? Divide this by 13. 13 2s are 26. Are you getting it? Then 7 is remaining, 13 5s are. So, you are going to get 256 as the value. Please learn this method over here. The method of single cancellation method over here. Now, this is nothing but 64. Now, next part is important. How you are going to convert it into indices part. Okay, so how will you do that? This is nothing but 8 square. What about this value over here? 256 is 16 square over here. Now, this value when I am talking about, it can also be written as 4 cube into, this is nothing but 4 to the power 4 over here. Are you getting it? So, what will be the value? 7 is going to be the answer over here. Perfect answer. Nani, Sean, okay. You like the Hindi part. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, perfect guys. Everybody is getting my point. Is there anyone having any doubt? Sanjay, confidence because of you. Thank you so much, Sanjay. Yes, he is my paid batch student. Okay, perfect. Can you try next one? Next one, can you try the next question over here? Question is involving both the things, that is, the single cancellation is there, square root is also there. Let me see who all are getting the knack over here. Yes, can you try this one quickly? Okay, you like the teaching. Thank you so much, Sanjay. It means a lot. So those who are getting your concepts clarified because of the teaching, really good guys. Thank you so much. Okay, can you try this question over here? Can you try this question quickly? Sanjay is saying 1115. Bhanu is also saying 1115. Very good. I am getting the answer, that too before time. Very good guys. 1115 is the perfect answer over here. Are you guys sure about that? Yes. 1115 is the perfect answer for the question over here. Can you tell me the cancellation? Can any one of you tell me what is the cancellation value over here? That is most important part of this question. Let me see who all are getting it. Yes, what is this cancellation over here? Any one of you is getting it? Let me explain it to you. Please pay attention. 3649 divided by 89. Now you know that 9 ones are 9. That means unit digit is going to be 1 over here. Unit digit is going to be 1 over here. Now how will you do this? This 364 part you have to do by 89. You can observe this 89 is nothing but approximately 90. 94 are 360. That means it has to be 41 over here. It has to be 41. Sean, perfect answer. Very good. Bhanu is also getting it. 41 will be the value over here. Now, what about this square root? 1521. Now, you know that end digit in 1521 is 1 over here. Either it will be 1 or 9. Either it will be 1 or 9 over here. Now, you have to write down square root below 15. That is nothing but 31 or 39 over here. That is nothing but either 31 or 39. Now you can observe 40 square is 1600. 40 square is 1600. Your value is near to that. So you are going to get 39 as the value. Are you getting it? This is nothing but 39 over here. And how will you calculate this? This is x plus 121 into 4. Are you all following it? Now here you can use a square minus b square and orally you can tell me this is 1599, ma'am. How? 40 square minus 1 square. 40 square minus 1 square, and now you can subtract this value to calculate your answer over here. Are you getting my point? So 1115 will be the perfect answer over here. Unit digit will not work. Okay, unit digit will not work. Why? Because two options are ending with 5, so that is not going to help you out. Are you guys getting my point? That is not at all going to help you out if you are following that. Everybody is following this part. Is there anyone having any small doubt? Perfectly clear. Very good, guys. Very good. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Question based on fraction. Yesterday I got a request from few of you that ma'am cover question based on fraction. So let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Can you try this question based on the fraction over here? Can you try the next question based on the fraction? Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Yes, can you give it a try? Question based on fraction here. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Vishwajit is saying C option. Dhruv is saying C option. Very good. Very good. Are you sure it is C? Are you sure it is C? Very good. Saumik, Bhanu, Nani. Really good performance, guys. C is the perfect answer over here. C is the perfect answer. Very good. How will you go about this? Those who are saying B, please check out your answer. How will you go about this? For fraction and addition part, I told you, separate the integer and the fraction part over here. How you have to approach? Separate the integer and fraction part over here. So here you can observe 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is nothing but 9 would be the value. What would be the LCM of all these values over here? LCM would be 24. Now how will you make it 24? This is multiplied by 6. This is multiplied by 4. 5 4s are 20. This is multiplied by 3. This will become 15 here. This is multiplied by 6. So you are going to get 6 as the value. This is nothing but divided by 24. Are you guys getting my point? Just add this value over here. This is nothing but 6 plus 5, 11 plus 6, 17. You can calculate the value over here, 47 by 24. So definitely I can say that it is 23 by 24 and 1 would be added here. Everybody is getting this? Yes, so many students have issue in converting the fraction into integer part. So please learn that well, guys. How you convert it? 24 ones are 24, 23 will be remaining. That is how you have to convert it. Are you guys getting it? Amit, Abhishek, Akshay, Pradhan, very good, guys, very good. Ashu is also getting it. Perfect. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Probably last question based on the simplification. Then we will move on to the next section, that is arithmetic section over here. 5 questions based on arithmetic. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this question over here. Can you quickly try this one? Again, you have to follow the single cancellation method over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer in this case. Yes, can you give it a try? So your time is already over, guys. Yes, 168. Bhanu got the first answer here. He is saying 168. What about others? Anyone else is getting the answer in this? Yes. Okay, 168 is the perfect answer over here. Sanjay, Vishwajit, Amit, really good performance, guys. Very good, very good. Those who are getting it, perfect answer. Saumik is also getting it. Radha, very good. How will you go about this? So just pay attention. This is 720 divided by 9 plus this is x divided by 6. Here you can see it is 120% of 90 over here. Now what is 120%? It is 6 by 5 over here. You can calculate the value 18 6 that is nothing but you can calculate the value as 108. Now when you are calculating this, this is nothing but 80. When you are subtracting the value over here, it is 28. X by 6 is equal to 28. Directly you are going to get 28 6 168 over here. Are you guys getting my point? Anybody having any doubt in this question? Perfectly clear. Yes, Dhruv, Sean, Sabri, Akshay, everybody is getting the value. I think you guys are taking some more time, so try to optimize the time as well, guys. Okay, let us quickly move on to the next question. Question based on arithmetic. Okay, maximum questions I have taken based on the previous year question line. So definitely it is going to help you out in your upcoming exam. Let me see who is getting the answer, and that too in time over here. 5 questions only based on arithmetic. So every day we are trying to cover different arithmetic concept over here. Yes, let me see who will get the answer first. Can you give it a try? Let me see who is getting the answer over here. Akshay, Agastya, 168. Your time is already over. Dhruv is saying 3360. Okay, what about others? Guys, this much time is, I don't think, needed. Yes, is it actually needed? Okay, 3360. Dhruv, Soumik, perfect answer, guys. Amit is also getting it. KS, Soumik, perfect answer by many of you. So the correct answer is 3360 over here. Yes, Abhishek, Sabri, Meena, perfect answer, guys. Perfect. Sean is also getting it. How will you go about this? Very good. Those who are getting, Simon is also getting it. Perfect. How will you go about this? Profit earned by selling the table for 3600. Selling price is 3600. Cost price is CP. This is equal to the loss by selling the same table at 1200. How much would be the loss? CP minus SP over here. So you can calculate the value here as 2CP is equal to 4800. Okay, CP value is going to be 2400 over here. Are you getting it? Now next time when you see such question, I want all of you to remember, whenever this type of question is there, it will always be in this format only. That selling price is equal to loss. You have to just remember, add these two values and divide by 2. That will be your CP value. Just remember a simple fundamental over here. Add both the values and divide by 2. That will give you your cost price value, which is nothing but 2400 over here. At what price will you sell it to make a profit of 40% over here? So 2400 multiplied by 140%. So what will you get in this case? You can calculate your value as, what would be the value over here? This is 3360, which already many of you have told C would be the perfect answer. So that is why I was saying you are taking more time. Now please next time onward remember, add and divide by 2, that is your cost price, multiply by the multiplication factor, that will directly give you the value over here. Really good performance by many of you. Very good, guys. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Next question is there on your screen. Based on the ratio. Based on the ratio here, let me see who all are getting the correct and quick answer over here. Yes, your time starts now. Yes, anyone is getting the value over here? Your time is already over, guys. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Yes, any one of you is getting the answer? Just write down the proper equation, calculate A, B, C value perfectly. You will not miss out the question. Amit is saying 300. Vishwajit, very good performance. Bhanu is also getting it. What a performance, guys. Perfect one, perfect one. 300 is the perfect answer over here. Very good. 300 is the perfect answer. Sean is also getting it. 300 is the perfect answer over here. Soumik is getting it. How will you go about this? Simon is getting it. How will you go about this? ABC are going for a dinner in a restaurant. A's meal cost 40% more than B. 40% more means 140% of B over here. Okay, while the meal of A is 2/3 of the C over here. Now here they have given B has paid 200 over here. So 1.4 into 200, that is nothing but your value is going to be 280 over here. Your A value is going to be 280 over here. Now substitute A value as 280. What will you get in this case? You can calculate your value as 420 for C. C value is going to be 420 over here. Are you getting it? Everybody is getting it. B value is 200, A value is 280 and C value is 420. You have to calculate average of all the values. What you have to calculate? The average of all the values. You can add all the values over here. That is nothing but 900 divided by 3 will be the value, because 3 quantities are there. So 300 is the perfect answer, guys. Very good. Agastya, Vishwajit, Dhruv, Abhishek, Meena, Sabri, perfect performance. Very good, very good. Everybody is getting it. Let us quickly move on to the next question over here. Question based on probability. A basic question based on probability. Let me see who all are getting it. Yes, I am sure that many of you must be having doubt in the case of probability, but these type of questions are going to be there in your exam, guys. And trust me, those who are doing it will only clear, because your cutoff is almost 100%. It is around 85 to 90, which is near to 90% itself. Okay, so you cannot skip any of the topic over here. Yes. Let me see who is getting the answer for this one. So we are on to the third question of arithmetic. Only 5 questions every day. So if you need more practice, guys, definitely you need to purchase the practice batch, live practice batch. There you are going to get everyday practice over here. So you definitely are going to practice 2000 plus question over there. Okay, 2000 plus questions will be practiced, so that will definitely help you in your exam. So if you are using my name as the code, you are just going to pay 839, guys. So why not to, just 1000 rupees, maximum 1000 rupees, and you are getting so many benefits. Bhanu is saying A option, Dhruv is saying 20 by 63. Really wonderful performance, really wonderful. Dhruv is getting it. Sean, perfect answer. A is the perfect answer over here. Very good, guys. Sabri is also getting, Meena, Simon, Amit, excellent performance by many of you. Very good. Those who are getting it. 20 by 63 is the perfect answer over here. How will you go about this? Bag contain 4 red and 5 green ball. 4 balls are drawn at random. Total there are 9 balls. 9C4 would be the value. What would be the value? 9C4 over here. Now what is said? 3 green ball and 1 red ball over here. 3 green means what will you write? 5C3. And 1 red, that means 4C1 over here. Are you guys getting my point over here? Okay, it is taking too much of time. Sean, it will not take. Please pay attention. I am going to explain you the short trick method. Now 5C3 can also be written as 5C2 using a combination property. Okay, you need to follow the basics for this. Now how we write down 5C2? 5 into 4 divided by 2. How we write down 4C1? It is into 4 over here. And what about 9C4? 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 4, 3, 2 and 1 over here. So 6 will get cancelled. This 2 will get cancelled. This 4 will cancel with this 4 over here. You are going to get 20 by 63 as the value. Perfect answer by many of you. I don't know which formula have you applied, but by this I do not think it will take more than 25 seconds to solve. Are you all following my point over here? Yes, very good performance, those who have given the answer. Last question is there on your screen. Then we will move on to the next question. That is nothing but number series part over here. So I want all of you to give it a try. Yes, can you try next question over here? Try to follow the timer as well, guys. All of you try to follow the timer as well. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Anto, yes, Anto, Abhishek, you have written the perfect value. Yes, guys. So next question, you can see I am trying to cover different topics in arithmetic as well. Okay, only 5 questions I am doing, but I am trying to give you maximum possible in this less time over here. Perfect answer. Yes. 50 is the perfect answer. Dhruv, Manoj, they are getting the perfect value over here. Vishwajit is also getting it. How will you go about this? Question based on the short trick. Okay, this type of question will definitely be there in your exam. What is given? Man is going from his house at 40 km per hour and reached the office 15 minutes late. So what is the speed? 40 km per hour. He reached 15 minutes late over here. So plus 15 is the time. If he increased his speed by 25%, are you getting it? If he increased his time by 25% over here, he is reaching on a time over here. Now what will be his new speed? 25% means 5 by 4 will be the multiplication factor, which is nothing but 50 km per hour. Now what is given? He is reaching on a time over here. Now how are you going to calculate the value? All of you please pay attention. The value of a speed, the speed ratio is nothing but 4:5. What is the ratio of speed over here? Speed ratio is 4:5. So what would be my time ratio? It is going to be 5 by 4 over here. Time ratio is going to be 5 by 4. Now this 1 unit extra, whatever is there, that 1 unit is equal to 15 minutes. 1 unit is equal to 15 minutes. So how will you calculate this? This is nothing but 75 minutes. This is nothing but 60 minutes over here. For 75 minutes and 60 minutes over here. Now what is asked in your question? Find the distance. Now you know that when 50 kilometer per hour is the speed over here, how much time is taken? 60 minutes, or I can say 60 by 60, which is nothing but 50 kilometer would be the perfect answer. Are you getting it? Now if you know this proportionality, I really think you can do this orally. Because you know that this ratio is becoming 4:5, so this should be 5:4. Orally you can calculate the time over here with practice. Definitely with practice over here. Everybody is getting my point? Is there anyone having any doubt? Let us quickly move on to the last question. This is a homework question. Okay, so I think many of you can do it now also. Okay, let us do it. Fifth question of today. Can you give it a try? Question based on partnership. As topic is different, let us do it now itself. Why go for a homework? Can you give it a try? This one is simple one. It is a similar question was there in your 2018 exam. I have taken it from there itself. Let me see who all are getting the answer here. Yes. Can you give it a try over here? He started a business with 2000. Okay, you have to write down the partnership value over here. Investment into time ratio. Guys, try to follow the time as well, because that will really help you out in your exam also. Anybody is getting the answer? Anybody is getting the answer over here? Yes. Anybody is getting the answer? Okay, so much time guys. Sabri is getting the first answer. 16. Very good. 16 is the perfect answer. Dhruv, Meena, 16 months is the perfect answer. Nandagopal, Sean, very good performance guys. Perfect one. How will you go about this? Sam started a business with a value of 2000 over here. Okay, after X months, Sean joined him. Okay, so this is the value of Sam over here. Now Sean joined him with an investment of 4000 over here. Now here they have given after X months. So after at the end of 2 years, ratio is given in your question over here. Now you know that Sean joined later. Sean has joined later over here. That means this value is for Sam, it is going to be complete 12 months. That is complete 2 years. That is 24 months over here. And this is going to be 24 minus X. Now you know that this ratio is equal to 3:4. What is this ratio? 3:4 over here. You can cancel these values over here. That is nothing but 24 upon 24 minus X. That is 3/2 over here. So definitely you can calculate X value is nothing but 8 months over here. Are you guys getting it? X value is nothing but 8 guys. Please check out your value. Please check out your value over here. Those who are saying, yes, those who are saying 16 as the answer. Yes, are you sure it is correct? Yes guys, are you sure it is correct? Let me see who all are getting it. E option. Yes, I think you have written this as X over here. Many of you must have written this as X. Are you guys getting it? That is what I was checking here. So while writing the number of months, you have to be really careful guys. I hope everybody is getting it. Yes, he has invested for 16 months, but after how many months he has joined? After 8 months over here. Yes, okay. So Somik, you should tell your answer even if you are getting the different value. Actually, I thought of giving this as homework, but then I realized there is one concept in this, so I thought of covering it here itself. Okay, perfect one. Now let us quickly move on to the next part, that is quadratic equation 5 question. 5 questions based on the quadratic equation over here. Let me see who all are getting this one. Yes, first question, your time starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Yes, can you give it a try? Okay, very good guys, very good. Those who got the perfect answer there, really good performance guys, because it was conceptual question. If you are writing the wrong value, definitely you are going to get negative marks for that. Let me see who all are getting the proper roots for this equation. Ashu is saying E option. I got the first answer within 30 seconds. Very good. CND, CND. Vishwajit is also saying CND. Meena, very good guys. E is the perfect answer over here. E is the perfect answer for this question. How will you do this? Perfect one. How will you calculate the roots over here? This is nothing but 3 5s and 1s are 51. You can split this into 3 1s are 3 7s are. Now you can calculate the value. It is nothing but what will be the value in this case? Yes, it is nothing but 17 and 9 over here. So what will be the roots over here? 17 minus 9. What about this equation over here? If you are checking it, it is 289. So y value is going to be plus and minus 17. Y value is going to be plus and minus 17 over here. Now draw it on a number line. I have seen after this step also many students made mistake. So it is minus 17 minus 9 for x over here. What will you do for y? Plus 17 and minus 17. So there is overlap. So C and D is the perfect answer. C and D is the perfect answer. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Question having coefficient of x square and y square. Question having coefficient of x square and y square. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Can you give it a try quickly? So guys, after each of the classes, I am sharing PDF also in my Telegram group. The name is Quant Made Easy by Priyanka ma'am. So I want all of you to check out the group over there so that you know you can get the PDF also. If you are missing out any of the question, definitely you can watch it later. Okay, yes. Can you try this question over here? Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. E option. Very good. Soumik, Meena, Agastya, Vishwajit. Okay, few of you are saying D also. Few of you are saying D also. Can you check out the value? Yes, guys. Perfect answer by many of you. Very good. Perfect answer by many of you here. E is the perfect answer. Yes, yes. You got the proper roots also. How will you calculate this? Just split this into smaller components over here. So what will be the roots in this case? You can check out. This is 8. 8s are 64. So definitely I can say 16 and 8 will be the roots. Are you getting it? 16 and 8 would be the roots over here. Positive 16 and 8. What about this value over here? It is positive 8 and 4 over here. Now what you have to do is cross multiply the coefficient. So this is multiplied by 1. This is multiplied by 2 over here. So this will become 16 and 8. This will become 16 and 8 over here. Are you guys getting my point? Yes. Have you multiplied it? Have you multiplied the value over here? So this is 16 and 8. This is also 16 and 8. Whether it is x equal to y? Can any one of you tell me whether it is x equal to y or cannot be determined? You are telling it is nothing but E option. You guys are right. But whether it is x equal to y or the cannot be determined. Yes, any one of you? A really good conceptual question for all of you. It is C and D. Yes, it is C and D. You guys are perfectly correct. Sabri, please check out your answer. X value is 16 and 8. Here also it is 16 and 8 over here. Though values are same, it is not equal. Because when you are comparing in the table over here, you have to write down 16, 8, 16, 8. And y values will be 16, 16, 8, 8. So when you are comparing, two values will be equal, but other two values are opposite over here. So that is the reason C and D is the perfect answer. What is the answer here? Cannot be determined. It is not equal to value, guys. Are you guys following the point over here? Anybody is there who is having doubt? Anybody is there who is having doubt? Let us quickly move on to the next part over here. Let me see who is getting the correct power of x and y. Your timer starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer over here. Yes, can you give it a try? Really wonderful question. Okay, I am just sharing the group name over here. Many of you are asking about that. Yes. Just give me time, guys. Let me see who all are getting the next answer over here. Yes. So guys, there is link in your chat box. I have just shared the link. All of you can join there to get the PDF after the class. Okay, so just to get a PDF of everyday session, you can join me there. Perfect. Let me see who is getting the answer. Vishwajit, Soumik, Bhanu, A option. I got few of you are saying A option over here. Soumik, Vishwajit, Amit, are you sure, guys? Very good guys, very good, perfect one. How will you go about this? Take it on the other side. 4 to the power x will be equal to 4. This is 2. This is 1024. Now you must be aware what is this value over here. 1024. It is nothing but which square? Yes, can any one of you tell me what is the value over here? Yes, I think many of you already got it. 32 square over here. 32, that means you can write this value as 8 into 4 square. Now those who are not getting it, you can write it this way as well. Okay, you can split it in the indices format over here. If you know the direct power, very good. If you know that this direct power is 5, that is fine over here. If you do not know, you can convert it in this format as well. So 2 2s are 4. So that is 1 4 over here and 4 2s are. So 4 square and square, that means you are going to get x value will be 5. X value is going to be 5 over here. For this, you can take a square root over here. For this part, you can take a square root. 5 will be the value. Which square lies below this? 12. So it is 125 over here. Are you getting it? So 125 into 125, you know that this is nothing but 25 into 5. 25 into 5 over here. Now easily you can see what is 5 power in this case. Are you getting it? So what is 5 power? This is 5 square. This is 5 to the power 1. This is square and 1. So total y value is going to be 6 over here. Perfect answer is A option. Very good. Those who got the answer over here. I am taking different questions every day. Are you guys following it? Is there anyone having any doubt? If you recall the values, this would be really simple for all of you. But even if you do not know it in exam, there are ways to calculate the answer. That is what I wanted to tell you through this. Let us quickly move on to the next question. Yes, your time starts now. Let me see who all are getting the answer for this one. Tufan aa gaya. Okay, Amit, why? You didn't understand the question, Amit? You did not understand the question? Can you try next question over here? CND, CND, CND. Perfect answer, guys. CND is the perfect value over here. Now, can you apply trick? Trick is applicable here? No, trick is not applicable. Okay, trick is not applicable. You have to calculate the actual roots over here. Perfect answer by Somil. What a performance. He got all the values perfectly over here. So 15 and 7 will be the roots here. Positive 15 and 7 over here. And here you can see 14 8s are. 14 8s are 112. So you directly got the values. Now how will you compare it on the number line? It is 7 comma 15. This is your x value. What about y value? It is 8 comma 14. There is overlap over here. So your answer will be C and D. What would be your answer? C and D would be the perfect answer over here. Everybody is following my part? Anybody is there who is having doubt? Anybody is there who is having doubt? Perfectly clear to all of you. Let us quickly move on to the last question over here. This is really wonderful question. Your time starts now. Let me see who is getting the perfect answer for this question over here. Yes. Can you try this one? Somik, Amit, no doubt. Okay, D option or E option? See, as I told you, I am going to get multiple answers. I already told you. D is the perfect answer here, guys. Very good. D is the perfect answer over here. Sabri, yes, you are perfectly correct, Sabri. When you are given with a value like this, many students forget x equal to 0 over here. Are you getting it? Many students forget x has 0 value. So there are two roots over here, 0 and 11. Please do not take it as only 11. You will make mistake. Sean, please remember. So you have to take x outside. That will make it x equal to 0 or 11. And when you are checking this, it is 11 into 10 over here. Everybody is getting it. That is the reason you guys are getting different answer over here. So it is 0 comma 11 for x value. What about y value? It is 10 comma 11 over here. Now if you are missing out this 0 point, you may get a wrong answer. Are you guys getting my point over here? So what is this value in this case? It is nothing but 11 into 10 over here. So what would be the answer? You can check here. There is overlap in this case. So your answer will be C and D. Please check out the answer. There is overlap over here because of 0 value. So what is the correct answer? C and D would be the value over here. I think now many of you are changing the answer. Those were saying D. Few of you are saying D over here. Yes, am I correct? So guys, such small mistake will really cost you. I want all of you to keep track of these things. Everybody is getting my point? Perfect. So we are almost done with the topic. Now few questions, 2 questions are homework for you based on the number series over here. Missing number series. Okay, yes. That is the reason we are covering it here, Soumik. Okay, so guys, for more of such practice, definitely in live session, in this YouTube session, definitely it is not possible to cover more questions over here because of time limitation, but we are trying best to give you maximum content over here. Okay, so that your time will not go in vain. I hope everybody must have enjoyed this session. So again guys, I am telling you this LPS batch, live practice session, not only for quant, for English, reasoning, combined LPS is going to be there. This LPS will help you to realize your performance as well, because here you are not getting score also. There you will get score and you are, on dashboard, you can see where you are lying. So that will really help you out to calculate the answer within time over here. I hope all of you are getting it. RBI prelim practice batch, it is bilingual. Okay, Simon, it is bilingual. So we are going to give the answer. So maximum it is about your performance over there. I hope all of you are getting it. And guys, as I told you already, we are celebrating this 10 million users over here. So right now we have a really good offer going on. If you are purchasing any of the package, so generally I feel that the super elite package is best one, because you are getting live classes also in this. So along with mock test, everything, live classes are also there for 2699. Actual price is 4000, but if you are using Priyanka as the code, today you are getting maximum offer. And this package will be valid for next 10 months, guys. You can see that is the importance over here. Okay, so that is what I have for today, guys. Hope all of you must have enjoyed this session. So do not forget to like and subscribe before you move from here. And definitely would like to see you all in tomorrow's session again, 9 PM over here. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you so much, Jasmine. Okay, thank you so much.